For this shortcut, we're going to make a custom shortcut icon for an app. Now, this might be because you want to kind of fancy up your entire screen creatively, right? You just want to change the look of everything. Or it could actually be because you don't like the look of an app and you want it to be different, or it's confusing with others. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Shortcuts app, and I'm going to go ahead and hit that plus sign at the top. All right, and then what I'm going to actually do is search for Open App, and that's really as easy as it sounds, right? And so let's choose that app I might want to replace. Let's just say it's the App Store. I don't have a problem with the App Store. I actually quite like the App Store, but let's just say that's the one that it's going to do. So what I could do then is quite simply, I'm kind of done with most of what I'm going to build. I'm going to go ahead and select the meatball menu right where it says New Shortcut, and I'm going to go ahead and call it just Open App Store. All right, so what I want to do is I want to actually add it to my home screen. And what that will do is make it look like an app on my home screen, and it'll work the way it needs to. So let's just say App Store. Now, I can also, though, change what it looks like, and that's kind of the cool part. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that, and then that's where I could say choose photo. Now, this is a photo that I already have on my iPad. I might have designed with like Adobe Spark Post, or made it in, or took a picture. Maybe it's just a picture that I have, right? It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go ahead and select this icon. Now, I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to pinch it in. All right, I could pinch to make it bigger. I could pinch it just to make sure it's as small as possible. Then I'm going to go ahead and say use. Now that would be my new App Store. Well, it's not new actually. So it's actually more. It is just a shortcut. It's basically the App Store will still be there, but this is just another way that you can get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and say add. It has been added to my home screen. I can say done. So now when I go to my home screen, as you can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and drag it in, and I can even put it in my dock. So now when I go ahead and click that, it will open up the App Store for me, and it'll show me that it did that when it shows that banner right there. So I could do this with all my apps. I could make them much different looking icons so that then they would open them up that way as well. Now the App Store app is still there. I could move it and put a different folder and hide it, but this is just another way to kind of access those apps I need. And so that shortcut made us a custom shortcut icon for your home screen.